I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, become a part of our crew. If you're returning, hello again, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and let's hop into it, you guys. Boxycharm for the month of November. So, I have already unboxed this, not gonna lie. I did it live on my channel, but I wanted to do it again just because of some things that I've heard and seen with other people's boxes. So, we had that video from Joe, I believe it was on the Boxycharm Beauties Facebook group, where he said all Base Box members would be getting the 2-piece Boxycharm brush set. I was so excited. I was out of this world excited because I am a brush hoarder. I love brushes and I love Boxycharm. So hello, Boxycharm brushes, perfect for me. But then I watched Just Anne unbox her box and she didn't get the brushes. I was like, wait, what? And then my box came. Let's just hop in. There's a question going around on whether or not people's PR boxes are better than people who are paying, which I believe would be very wrong. Okay, so it's November, so now we have the new interior. And when you open her up, that's what she looks like. She is bigger. Yeah. And I got variation 17. The theme is stellar. It tells us all the products, a little bit about them, and the price. It gives you a 15% off code for Dragon Beauty if you guys wanted to use that. And there's also a code for 30% off on Natasha Denona Safari Palette, Sunset Palette, or Eyeshadow Palette 28. And there's the code for that. And then it has information on Boxy Luxe, Boxy Pop-Up, and the complexion customization. So that's one thing I don't have in my box. I did get the Pretty Vulgar concealer swatch pack, and I was the fair shade. And let's just get these out of the way right off the bat. I got 2 face masks. The Haru Wander, and one of these will go into a future giveaway, and then I'll try one out just so that way I have an opinion of like the company and stuff. And then I got the Kypress serum. This stuff is really nice actually, and it does say made exclusively for Boxycharm, but all of the ingredients have been checked out. This is a legit product. There's no worries there. Just because Ipsy is putting fake products in their subscription does not mean Boxycharm is putting fake products in theirs. And this is just really nice. After I put it on the skin, it was a little tacky, but once it dried down, I couldn't even feel it on my skin anymore. I'm just checking. It's about like this full up to the right there. So it doesn't come like all the way full up, but $90, not complaining. And then I got a Dose of Colors Lippy, very exciting, and I got mine in Date Night. I was really hoping for Charm, but when I opened this live, my subscribers talked me into trying it on, and I was quite surprised at how much I liked wearing a red lip. So I guess I could swatch that for you guys. I feel like I'm talking really fast. I just don't want to make this video like super duper long, because I know when I go to look at Boxycharm unboxings, I just want to see the products that came. That's what I'm looking for. So there is the applicator. That's a lot of product on there. Applicator. And yes, I did like this mega like help me go through my products and get rid of stuff last night. My live last night was 3 hours long. So yeah, it's really pretty. I like it. I like it. Okay, and then we'll do some, let's see here. And then, I'm so happy about this. I got the Celestial Thunder palette. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. They're very pigmented. They blend out lovely. I love them. The only one I don't like is the champagne one. Excuse me. It swatches pretty well, but putting it on the eyes just doesn't really work out. It doesn't really show up at all. But other than that, all of these other ones, like even the mattes, are really pigmented and they blend out beautifully. I love this palette so, so much. I'm so very happy that I got it. Okay, and this is where the sad part comes in. My heart was so broken, you guys. I really can't stress enough how much I love brushes. Love brushes. This is the second time that I have not gotten brushes that I was told I would be getting from Boxycharm. Instead of getting brushes, and you guys are going to come for me in the comments, which is fine. Go ahead, come for me. That's fine. On my channel, everybody's opinion is valued. As long as you're not, like, trying to attack me all crazy like, you know, we can have a conversation about it. It's not a problem. So I tried this out yesterday, and I am so not happy with it in any way. I got the Milk Makeup Holographic Stick in Stardust, and I don't like it at all. I really wish I wouldn't have swatched it, because when it goes on your skin, it makes your skin feel greasy. It doesn't ever dry down, and it makes you look purple. Like, not just like the shine part of it, but like the actual, like, you have a purple streak going up your face. I don't know. I don't like it. So there it is. So it's like a pinky purple, and when you put it on your face, it like leaves that tone on your face. And it's greasy. It doesn't dry down, and I would much rather have had the brushes. So, my only complaint for this box, really, because last month's box, we can all agree, I think, that last month's box really sucked. This month's box, you guys, I mean, besides the fact that I got this instead of brushes, I mean, everybody's got tons of face masks, but really, if the only things I liked out of this box were right here, that's over $25 worth of value. Like, I got my money's worth just right here. Just because I don't like these two products, my box is still outstanding. I'm very, very happy with my box. I'm just very, very sad and disappointed that I didn't get the brushes. I have already sent an email to Boxycharm to see kind of what happened there. Like, did you guys run out of brushes? I don't understand why Joe said that there would be brushes and now there's not. And then also I'm having a problem reviewing the products on the actual website. When I go to review them, all it says is buy from the brand. So I'm not sure what's going there either. Also, my box was a total of, I believe, $180. So I know this was supposed to be a $200 value box, I believe. But still, for what I pay, $25 a month, I'm still really happy. Like, I added a new eyeshadow palette to my collection. I added a new lip that I don't have any red lipstick, so I'm happy about that. And its dose of colors. And I got this awesome face serum that's valued at $90. So, I'm not complaining about what I received. I'm complaining only for the simple fact that I absolutely love brushes. And that's about it. So there's my unboxing. I want to keep this short and sweet because I know how it is when you're just clicking through looking for unboxings. Oh, by the way, my so I got Variation 17 and my box weighed 1.2 ounces. Or not ounces. Oh my goodness. 1.2 pounds. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Afternoon. I don't know what time it is. Alright, you guys have a great, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye!